Paying your taxes online is the go-to these days. A couple recommendations are to use the official portals. That would be the IRS official portals. There's two of them. One that creates an account. Some of this information can be dated quick, but one that's EFTPS. The other one is sort of like a direct pay type of system, or you can do one-time bank routing numbers and the payment processes. States have a similar system, and some states are actually requiring payments once you hit certain income thresholds. Certain business payments are actually required. Sometimes making the payment the day of is not a great idea. In my experience, the systems occasionally can get overloaded, or people are stressed, mistakes can get made. So doing things a little bit before the deadline is going to alleviate some of that stress. Now, there are third-party payment processors that are on the IRS recommended website, options to pay with credit card, debit card, things of this nature. But those are ultimately going through a third party in some way. So what prevents one of those companies from taking money one day and running? I don't know. So I don't recommend those things, but I have had clients have some success in the past. So I think everything is really going to online, and a lot of it's being required these days.